Hey everybody, Steve McFarland here, Mountain View Dodge. What I have here, another factory order 2026 Ram 1500 Limited Longhorn. It's got the high output Hurricane, so 540 horse. I love the brown interior on this. Look at this. Power side steps, power seats, heated seats. Going around back here. Just came in, so it's still got the floor mats up there. It's got the bed divider because it's got the Ram box. Storage in there. This one's really cool too as well. This one has the power tailgate, but it has a split tailgate. So you can open it up like that. Look at that, isn't that cool? Easy to get access to get stuff in there and out. And again, like I said, it is also power drop down. Of course, you got your hookups for your trailers and your trailer cameras. Down here, you have a little step that helps you get into the box. You know, short guys like me, old guys like me. Going around to the driver's side, of course, you got the blind spots. You got the proximity locks, memory seating, massage seating, both sides. Love the Longhorn, like I said. Power pedals, automatic headlights. As well in here, you have the adaptive cruise and the drive-in steering assist on this as well. A complete surround camera on this thing. As well, there's a hook up there. Lots of cameras on here. 4x4 system. Trailer brake controller. This has the air suspension like all the Longhorns have. You got dual wireless charging pads, active passenger screen as well. Harman Kardon sound system in this thing. Digital review camera, panoramic sunroof. This is a gorgeous truck. Again, it's factory order, so you know it's easy to get one in. Just give me a call, 403-556-7332. Let's factory order up one of these trucks for you. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.